Hello, I'm Kelda Yuen. The self-proclaimed crypto king Aiden Pleterski likely won't be able to walk away from his many debts, at least for now. That's the ruling from a Toronto judge today. Pleterski is accused of taking tens of millions of dollars from investors, promising massive profits in cryptocurrency. Instead, he's accused of blowing much of that money on his lavish lifestyle. Angelina King has the latest.
Aiden Pleterski, Ontario's self-proclaimed crypto king, has been bankrupt for nearly 2 years. And a judge decided today that will remain the case, at least for a while. Pleterski can reapply to be discharged from bankruptcy, but the judge suggested that not happen until the criminal charges against him are resolved by the courts. The judge ruling, Mr. Pleterski's conduct warrants an emphasis on public protection and accountability, refusing a discharge absolutely at this stage, pending the result of the criminal prosecution, would allow this court to take into account the outcome of the criminal proceedings. In the spring, Pleterski was charged with fraud and money laundering after what Durham police say was the largest fraud investigation in the region. Pleterski pleaded not guilty and is out on bail. Lawyer Norman Groot is working on civil cases Pleterski is also facing.
I would estimate at least 2 years before any discharge application comes back again. And if he's sentenced to a lengthy term of incarceration, he's really doesn't have much incentive to apply for discharge, so it could go on for a very long time. Pleterski staying in bankruptcy is actually for the protection of society at large, so there's no or less chance of anyone else becoming a victim of this.
The bankruptcy trustee's lawyer argued Pleterski has been hiding income and assets that should be going to the investors who lost money, including $430,000 worth of virtual weapons he sold online, at least $6,000 he made by managing the accounts of creators on the adult website OnlyFans, and $700 from streaming online.
What are we going to do when we hit 100 followers? How are we going to celebrate?
The bankruptcy proceeding has found of the $41.5 million investors gave him, Pleterski only invested 1.6% of it and spent nearly $16 million on himself, renting private jets, buying luxury cars, and leasing a lakefront mansion in Burlington. Pleterski didn't attend this latest hearing, but in an affidavit, he denied investing only a small percentage of the money he took in, or that he operated a Ponzi scheme and that he's hidden any assets. His lawyer argued Pleterski did not have ill intent. He's young, the investment operation grew out of control, and he didn't have a proper accounting system in place.
I wasn't surprised.
That's lawyer Tanya Walker's reaction to the judge's decision. She's representing one of the investors in a civil claim.
I hope this really encourages him to take the steps that the court and the investors are asking for, which is where's the money?
A question 160 investors are asking. In total, they've proven they've lost close to $27 million. And so far, the bankruptcy proceeding has only recovered about $3.3 million. Angelina King, CBC News, Toronto.